Hi everyone! Welcome to the Empath Tarot Case, another love reading, timeless and general. Take what resonates lang po. Maybe some part of the reading makaresonate kayo, some part of it hindi. Tignan natin ngayon kung anong love connections, lessons in life, and guidance ang ating mababati sa reading na ito. Again, iba't ibang mga energies, iba't ibang sitwasyon. Kaya take what resonates lang po. And reversal po ang energies. Sabihin pwedeng energy mo, energy ng person mo. So, take what resonates lang po. Spirit guides, send me messages. Anong love connections ito? Lessons in life and guidance ang nais ninyong ipabati sa amin. Mga aral at gabay sa buhay, pag-ibig, and life in general. Okay, more messages sa spirit guide. The Tower. Ten of Pentacles. Page of Wands. Strength. Knight of Pentacles. Ten of Wands. Nine of Swords. The Lovers. Ten of Wands, the Tower. Meaning dito, nagkaroon ng matinding kaguluhan at totally wasak na ang inyong pagsasama. Ibig sabihin, hindi na siya mabubuo pa. Talagang totally distracted, distraction ang nangyari sa inyong pagsasama. Matindi ang inyong pinag-awayan. Lalong-lalo na I can sense here because of third party. Yun yung pinaka kasi minsan yung matindi na sobrang sakit bakit nagawa ng person mo na 'di ba parang you will feel you are not enough, bakit naghanap ng iba, or hindi totoo yung pagmamahal. Kasi kung sabihin mo may respeto at pagmamahal talaga sa yung person mo, bakit niya magagawang 'di ba? So Ten of Wands dito, sobrang tindi na ng iyong nararamdaman. So, hindi ito parang salong-salo mo lahat ng kabigatan sa damdamin, sa kaisipan. No, ang tindi kasi ng naranasan mong sakit mula dito sa taong to. Ayan o, yung Ten of Wands. Nandun na, pasan-pasan mo na ng husto. Ngayon, strength. Ito yung kailangan mo o ito yung naging sabihin natin bagay o dahilan kung bakit nagpatuloy ka sa buhay mo because of your strength. Yung lakas ng loob mo to face the truth and to accept. Kasi minsan kapag hindi natin ma-accept yung nangyari sa'yo, sa buhay natin, 'di ba? Doon tayo mas lalong hindi uusad, hindi mag-start yung process of healing. But once you accepted that kind of pain, in-acknowledge mo yung pain na yan, doon na mag-umpisa yung healing process. So, naging matatag ka, yung naramdaman mo na yon turns you to a better person, to a stronger person. Because, maaring pagsubok lang naman yan sa buhay mo. Kasi minsan, ganun talaga pagdating sa love, nag-take ka ng risk to love, to be hurt. And dumating dito yung time na mas dun mo na lang finokus yung sarili mo sa sarili mong, sa passion. What you want to do in life. Diba, nandiyan nagsimula na okay, sa umpisa, hindi mo muna iniisip yung love life. You are being passionate on the things that you want to do, and doon ka maaring naging, sabihin natin, successful. Well, Kapag ganun kasi, itinataas mo yung sarili mo sa pedestal. Ibig sabihin yan, kapag nag-focus ka sa sarili mo, sabi nga, self-love and care, self-respect, brings you into an energy of love, of course, for yourself, and it elevate, or sabihin natin, ini-increase niya yung iyong vibration for you to become more attractive sa mga blessings. Isa na doon yung blessings of inspiration or aspiration or admiration para sa'yo, because someone is there. Meron ka makikilala someone na sabihin natin meron talagang seryoso talaga siya sa'yo. At the same time, etong person na to knows how to value you. Yung pahahalagaan ka, yung hindi ipaparamdam sa'yo na you're not enough. Someone who will take care of you and will provide you or will give you stable relationship. Hindi yung on and off, the paway bate. But this one, medyo mas mature na tong taong to. Magiging kayo, the lovers, at mararamdaman mo na totoo, sincere, genuine ang kanyang feelings para sa'yo. Kaya naman hindi maglalao na talagang magiging kayo. Magiging maganda ang inyong relasyon, may mga pagsubok man kayong mararanasan, mananatili pa rin kayo matatag magkasama. And it will lead you to a family, building a family together with lots of, o sabihin natin, abundance of love and abundance of wealth. Ito kasing 10 of Pentacles in all aspect, diba, abundance to eh. Pagsasama, pagmamahalan, pati pagdating sa financial na bagay, because you will support each other. Kaya uunlad ng husto ang inyong pamumuhay and magiging masaya. Okay? You will grow together, you will prosper together. Samantalang yung person mo na sabihin natin pinagpalit ka sa iba o iniwan ka, hindi naman makatulog yan. At kung may mga panahon na sabihin natin na sa gabi napapaniginipan ka niyan, dahil maaari naaalala ka niya, at siguro hindi rin naging maganda kung ano man yung kinahinatnan niya, kung saan man siya napadpad sa buhay niya. So, habang ikaw, happy with someone, happy with your life, with your family, nararamdaman mo yung love, yung care, and abundance kasi maunlad kayo eh. Siya naman, maaring hindi maganda ang kinahinatnan niya. Kaya naisip ka niya, binabalikan niya yung mga alaala. At, syempre, ganun talaga minsan, marating na yung nasasabi nating karma. Tingnan natin ang mensahe para sa inyo. Heartbroken, deeply hurt, sad, separation, breakup, feeling lost, grieving, mourning. You were heartbroken before. Sa mga panahon na kasama mo yung isang taong toxic. Clock, need time, takes time, in time, cycles, time to heal, progress. And in time, there will be healing. Both. Receiving what you need, progression, arriving, moving on, closure issues. Ayan. So, nagkaroon din ng closure issues, nagkaroon ng progression. And when you progress, you will meet this soulmate, your partner in life, and you will have palm tree. Stability, security, permanence, growth, endurance, flexibility. Ito yung sa inyo ngayon ng person mo. Meron lang kayong stability. Nung simula ka, nasaktan sa pag-ibig, takes time to heal, nagkaroon ng progression, moving on, closure, and dito ka na ngayon sa stability and security with someone who truly loves you. Parang ganun yung cycle ng ng love life. Okay, so yun lang po. Maraming salamat po for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, follow me on Facebook and TikTok. Have a good day po and God bless.